Hello, this is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2007 model Doosan 440 Plus. It has 1,015 hours on it. It has a 47 horsepower Cummins 4-cylinder diesel, operating load of 1,973 pounds, and a tipping load of 3,946 pounds. This machine is for sale for $14,900. As you can see, it runs great. You can see all the skid steers that we have for sale by going to our website at texasskidsteer.com. Give me a call at 817-668-1018. We show machines by appointment 7 days a week out in Springtown, Texas, just outside of Fort Worth, Texas. We ship machines all over the United States. We have fully insured shipping, so that's not a problem. I appreciate you watching. Thank y'all, and y'all have a good day.